Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change a password on hidden photos on an iPhone so you can keep your private pictures even more secure. Now let's get started. Method 1. Check hidden photos password settings. Step 1. Open the settings app on your iPhone. This is where you can control all your device preferences. Step 2. Scroll down, tap on apps, then find and tap on the Photos app. This will open up all the settings related to your photo library. Step 3. Look for the option that says Use passcode or Face ID. This feature protects sensitive albums with your phone's main security. Step 4. Confirm that both hidden and recently deleted albums are locked using your phone's passcode or Face ID. This tells you that access is already secured. Method 2. Change hidden photos password by changing your iPhone passcode. Step 1. Open the settings app on your iPhone once again. This is where the main security options are located. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode if you have an older iPhone. This section handles your phone's lock screen security. Step 3. Enter your current passcode to access these settings. This ensures that only you can make changes here. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Change Passcode. This will begin the process of setting a new device password. Step 5. Enter your old passcode, then type in your new one. This will also update the password used to access hidden photos and recently deleted content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more useful tutorials.